Okay, I'm going to be replacing the stock sway bar, this right here, on this 98 Lexus GS300. I'm going to try and take these end links off without taking off the wheels. And I'll be upgrading the sway bar with a firmer racing sway bar. Okay, here's the front sway bar. I've already taken off the end links. One down there. Yeah, this one over here has been removed. I also loosened these mounting bolts for the clamps just to make sure everything came off right. I let it soak overnight in some penetrating oil to make sure the bolts didn't break. So I'll be removing the front sway bar. I took off the rear, but I'm gonna have to get some rear sway bar links. I don't think those original links will be able to take those off. I have to show you that in a minute, but I'm going to take the front off right now and and upgrade the front with a thicker sway bar link. Okay, the one on the top, the black one, is the OE stock one. The blue one is the aftermarket racing one. This one is a touch thicker than the OE one. I have to post in the description of the actual thickness of it, but it looks a little thicker than the original. So I'll be putting this blue one in. Okay, here's the front sway bar installed with the stock links. It's hard getting the bushings here, the bolts to line up. It's really a tight fit for the sway bar up front. So I guess over time we'll be able to tell the strength of these components here. But it's the front sway bar installed. Okay, this is the rear. I finally got the sway bar links. I had to get some new sway bar links for it. The rear is much thicker than the aftermarket. It's much thicker than the original. I had it's adjustable, so I set it at the softest setting, which is the back one. So I think it'll give it the original rate as far as stiffness goes, but it'll be should be a lot firmer. Have it at that setting. So I'm gonna be putting in the rear sway bar. Okay, here's the upgraded sway bar link installed. Brand new end links on both sides. I'm worried about the because it's so tight on here with the bolts and everything. I'm worried if something's gonna break. But I guess I just have to see See what happens in time. So I'm going to be testing the handling on this next. See if it improves. See if it improved over the stock sway bars.